Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. We are we have completed exercise 10.3. Now we are ahead with exercise 10.4, and exercise 10.4 purely based on volumetric problems, and now we are recasting the shape. When shape is recasted, so that means when a sphere is recasted to cylinder or a cylinder is recasted to cone, so the shape will change, even the dimensions may change, but the volume will remain always same. Did you understand the point, children? Though the dimensions of, because when we recast, so suppose a cylinder is there, cylinder, you melt the cylinder and you put it in the conical mold, then we get a cone. So the cone, the dimensions, it will change, and so if dimension change, then the surface area says, the total surface area, maybe the curved surface area also will change. So it will not be same, but the volume will not change. So these problems are based only on volume, children. So this is exercise 10.4, and so the first problem, a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recasted in the shape of a cylinder. So a sphere was recasted in the shape of a cylinder. What? It was recasted in the shape of a cylinder. So here, from a sphere to a cylinder. This is question number 1. A sphere is recasted in the shape of a cylinder. A metallic sphere is recasted into a cylinder. So what we understand? Volume of sphere. So volume does not change. Volume of a sphere is equal to volume of a cylinder. So volume of sphere, actually what are the dimensions of the sphere they have given? Let us see the dimensions. So dimensions of sphere, because we will have only radius in this. So radius is given as radius, let us take it as r1, and it is given as 4.2 centimeter, and here they have given what? The radius of cylinder. So radius r2, it is given as 6 centimeter, and he asked to find the height. Height we need to find h2. So here volume of sphere, we know that volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. So volume of sphere, it is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere, it is 4/3 pi r1 cube, and volume of cylinder, it is equal to pi r2 square h2. Pi both are common, you can cancel it off. Now 4/3 r1 is 4.2 whole cube, and r2 is 6 that is 6 square into h2. We need to find the value of h2. So here it is, this can be written as 4 by 3, 4.2 can be written as 42 by 10. So 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10, sorry, 42 by 10, it is equal to 6 into 6 into h2. Now transpose this 6 to the other side. So it is into, so 4 by 3 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 equal to h2. Now 6 ones are 6 sevens are 6 ones are 6 sevens are. Okay, now 3 table, it will cancel. 3 ones are 3, how many times? 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are. So 4 into 14 is 56 into 7 into 7 is 49 by, it is 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. So 9 6 are 54, 4 5 carry. Now 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 24, 69, 69 plus 5 is 69 plus 5 is 74, 4 7, 4 5s are 20, 27 by 100 by 1000 equal to h2. So therefore h2, it is equal to 2.744 centimeter. I hope the problem is clear. This is all about the first problem. Now second problem from the exercise 10.4, actually it is exercise 10.4. Now let me move on to the next page. Now question number 2, it is 3 metallic balls, metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter. So there are 3 metallic spheres. One is dimension of 6 centimeter, other one is dimension of 8 centimeter, and other one, it is a dimension of so we need to add those spheres to get a sphere with a larger volume. So this is about a question. So here 3 metallic spheres, 3 metallic spheres are melted to form a larger sphere Okay, so the dimensions of the 3 metallic spheres, radii of 3 metallic spheres are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. We need to find the radius of larger sphere formed by melting 3 spheres. So here that is nothing but it is volume of sphere 1, volume of sphere 1 plus volume of sphere 2 plus volume of sphere 3 is equal to volume of resultant sphere. So volume of sphere 1, we know that the formula is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus it is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus it is 4 by 3 pi r3 cube, it is equal to 4 by 3 pi, let us take it as capital R, r cube. So in overall, if you observe, 4 by 3 pi is common, so take that one part as common, 4 by 3 pi as common, so it is r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equal to capital R cube, capital R cube into 4 by 3 pi. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi get cancelled. So it is nothing but r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equal to capital R whole cube. R1, it is 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube is equal to capital R cube. 6 cube, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. 8 cube, 8 8 are 64, 64 8 are, it is 712, and it is equal to 10 cube, that is 1000, it is equal to R cube. So it is what, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 9, 1928 equal to R cube. This is nothing but 12 cube is equal to R cube. So therefore radius of the resultant larger sphere is 12 centimeter. This is all about second. Now third one, third problem, third question, it is what, a 20 meter deep well of diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth got by digging is evenly spread into form a rectangular platform of the base 22 meter, height 14 meter. We need to find the length and breadth they have given, we need to find the height of the. So here what they have did, the earth dug, the earth dug, this is a well, and from the well they have made a cuboidal platform. So here what is given, actually a well of diameter 20 meter, a well of diameter 7 meter, a well of diameter 7 meter with 20 meter deep is dug. And that duggen earth was evenly spread to form a cuboid of dimension 22 meter by 14 meter. We need to find the height of the height of the platform. We need to find the height of the platform. So I hope the question is very clear. So what we get? So volume of the well, it is equal to what? Volume of platform. Volume of well means volume of cylinder. It is equal to volume of cuboid. So volume of cylinder is what? Pi R1 square H1. It is equal to volume of cuboid L into B into H. So pi value is 22/7, and R here diameter they have given. So diameter is equal to 7 meter. So R is equal to 7/2. So it is what? 7/2 into 7/2, and depth it is given as 20 meter. It is equal to L value we know that it is equal to 22 into 14. We need to find the value of H. So here 7 get cancels, 2 to the 4, 4 5s are 20. So 22 into 35. It is what? 22 into 35 is equal to 22 into 14 into H. So H it is equal to, that is 22 into 35 by 22 into 14. So 22 get cancelled. So H is equal to 35 by 14. 7 table, 7 5s are 7, 2s are, that is 5/2. It is equal to 2.5 meter. Therefore height of platform is 2.5 meter. Right children, this is all about third problem. Now question number 4. Problem number 4. A well of diameter 14 meter is dug 15 meter deep, and the earth taken out was made was spread evenly in the form of a circular embankment all around the well of depth of width 7 meter. So there is a well, so there is a well, this is a well, and they have made an embankment like this. Okay, they have made an embankment. They have made an embankment like this. Okay, embankment, so that no water will not flow out, just like a platform. And the width is given as 7 meter. So here a well of diameter 14 meter, a well of diameter 14 meter is dug 15 meter depth. So here D is equal to 14 meter. This I can write it as here capital R, it is equal to 7 meter, and H it is equal to 15 meter. height is given as 15 meter depth. Now the earth taken out, the earth taken out was spread evenly to form a circular embankment of width 7 meter. So the embankment width is 7 meter. So now here, from here to here, it is 7 plus 7 from center of the well to here. It is, this is 7, this is 7. So we will get 2 radius because it is like a ring. Now if you see that is a ring. Now here R1 is equal to 7 plus 7, that is how much? Here R1 we will take only 7. R2 it is equal to R1 plus width, that is 7 plus 7, 14 meter. Now what we get here, volume of the well, it is equal to volume of embankment. Volume of well, we know that it is what? Pi r square h. And volume of embankment, it is nothing but what? Area of ring into height. Now he asked to find the height of the embankment. He asked to find height of the embankment is how much? So height of embankment, how do we get it? That is h is equal to how much? Now area of ring, formula for area of ring is pi into R2 is greater, so we get it as R2 square minus R1 square. Even this can be written as pi into R2 plus R1 into R2 minus R1. This is nothing but width. So here, now substitute in the formula, so that is volume of well minus equal to volume of embankment. Right, children? So here volume of well, that is pi r square h, it is equal to pi into R2 plus R1 into R2 minus R1 into h. So pi it is cancelled. Here R1 it is 7, R capital R is 7, 7 into 7 into h value is 15, that is equal to R2 plus R1, that is 14 plus 7 into 14 minus 7, that is 7 only, into h. Here if you say this 7 get cancels. Here 7 into 15 is equal to 21 into h. Here h is equal to 7 into 15 by 21, 7 ones are 7, 3s are 3 ones are 3 5s are. So h is equal to 5 meter. So height of the embankment is equal to 5 meter. Height of the embankment is equal to 5 meter. Right, children? Therefore, meter. So this is all about problem number 4. Now we have problem number 5. So let me flip the page. Problem number 5. It is given as a container shaped right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into the cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, making a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones. We need to find the number of such cones. So here, if you look at this problem, this is quite easy. Here a cylinder is there. Sorry. A cylinder is there. This is a cylinder container, and we have an yes, children. So it is given as a container, a right circular cylinder, a container of right circular cylinder, a container of a right circular cylinder of diameter, having diameter 12 centimeter, and height equal to 15 centimeter, and we are having a is full of ice cream. It is to be filled in the cones of dimension with radius. The radius of the cone is given as actually diameter. Its diameter is given. Diameter is equal to 6 centimeter, and height is given as 12 centimeter. So let us write the dimensions. So dimensions of cylinder. Here height is given as 15 centimeter, and diameter is given as 12 centimeter. So radius R will be equal to, let us take it as capital R, is equal to 6 centimeter. Next, cone, on this we are having cone, and still two problems are there. Cone and hemisphere, cone and hemisphere. So here dimensions, here their radius are same, radius R1 is equal to R2, but they have given the diameter here also. So diameter it is given as 6 centimeter. So R1 it is equal to R2 is equal to 3 centimeter because it is 6 by 2, and their height of cone, height of cone, it is small h, it is given as 12 centimeter, and here it is capital H. So volume of cylinder is equal to, now number of cones we need to find. He asked to find number of cones equal to how much. Now it is nothing but volume of cylinder it is equal to volume of cone plus volume of sphere, volume of hemisphere into number of cones. So here that is volume of cylinder, that is pi R square H, it is equal to 1 by 3 into pi R1 square H1 plus, here it is 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. In overall, pi is common, so take that pi is common, it is R square H, it is in this 1 by 3 is common. Here it is hemisphere, so it is not 4 by 3, it is 2 by 3, it is 2 by 3 pi. So 1 by 3 pi you take common, it will become R1 square H1 plus 2 R2 cube. Again R square we can take common because it is same. So pi first you cancel. Here R square H, it is equal to 1 by 3. Here R square you take common, it will be H1 plus 2R. Now R, capital R value is equal to 6. 6 into H value is 15. It is equal to 1 by 3. Here small r value is what? 3. That is 3 into 3. Here it is H1 value is 12 plus 6. Here 3 ones are get cancels. Here into n, we forgot to write n. So it is 6 into 15 is equal to 3 into 18 into n. So here it is n is equal to 6 into 15 by 3 into 18. So 6 ones are 6 threes are 3 ones are 3 5s are 3 ones are 3 twos are. That implies n is equal to 2 into 5, n is equal to 10. So we can fill 10, right children? So this is all about fifth problem. So I hope still 3 more problems are there, we will deal it later, right? Thank you.